On this day, November 13th, we celebrate this famous birthdays. In 1312, Edward III, King of England from 1327 to 1377, is noted for his military success and for restoring royal authority, born in Windsor Castle, Berkshire, England. In 1732, John Dickinson, American lawyer and governor of Delaware in Pennsylvania, born in Talbot County, Maryland. In 1833, Edwin Booth, American Shakespearean actor, Hamlet, born in Bel Air, Maryland. In 1850, Robert Louis Stevenson, Scottish author of Treasure Island, born in Edinburgh, Scotland. In 1898, Earl Sanday, American jockey, Hall of Famer, born in Groton, South Dakota. In 1911, Buck O'Neil, American baseball player, Kansas City Monarchs, first African American coach in Major League Baseball, born in Carabel, Florida. In 1950, Gilbert Perreault, Canadian NHL center, over 500 goals, born in Victoriaville, Quebec. In 1955, Whoopi Goldberg, Karen Johnson, American actress, comedian and singer, born in NYC, New York. In 1967, Jimmy Kimmel, American TV host and producer, born in Brooklyn, New York. On this day, event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.